Now you've opened up your client and you've logged in and you're greeted with this window. So there are a couple of settings I would like you to set beforehand so Fusion becomes very easy to use. So the first thing I want you to do is go onto this icon, click on your icon, go to Preferences, under General, go to Design, go to General first, and then make sure that default modeling orientation is set to Z up. If you're coming from an environment that is something other than Fusion 360, you are able to pick pan, zoom, orbit shortcuts for those environments. So if you're coming from SolidWorks, I would recommend setting this to SolidWorks, and your pan, zoom, orbit will work pretty much the same as SolidWorks. So Z up, very important. Pan, zoom, orbit up to whatever you like. Next, we're going to go to Design. There's not much to change here. Your default options should be fine. I'm going to go to Manufacture. There is a very important option that you need to enable here. Enable Cloud Libraries. Make sure you enable Cloud Libraries. This will cause you problems later on if you don't. Next thing, we can jump straight to default units, and under default units, design. Now when it comes to default units, Fusion's default is millimeters, metric system. You can keep your design in millimeters if you like, but most of the equipment at the center is inch, so I would encourage you to use inch designs. However, when you go to the manufacturing space, it's no longer an option. It has to be in the inch default unit. So in design, you can go with millimeter if you like, but in manufacturing, you have to use inches. Make sure you make those changes, click OK, and your preferences would be saved. That's it for this video. See you guys on the next one.